Hello students, how are you all today? I hope you all are safe and enjoying the indoor vacation. I am Vishakha ma'am and I'll be teaching you science. Do you remember which chapter we have learned in our last sessions? Yes, we were learning about living things and non-living things. Like I told you that we will play the quiz in our next session. So let's start with the quiz. First, chair. Chair cannot move as it is a non-living thing. Second, plants. Plants are living things or non-living things? Yes, plants are living things. Third, car. Is car a living thing? No, car is a non-living thing because it cannot move without petrol. Fourth, insects. Insects are living things. Fifth, books. What do you think? Books are living things or non-living things? Books are non-living things. Now, let's quickly recap our last sessions. Living things need food, air, water, sunlight, without which they cannot live. Because living things breathe, living things need food, living things move on their own, living things reproduce, that is, living things give birth to young ones, living things feel, and living things grow. We have also learned about plants, wherein we have understood that plants absorb water from the soil with the help of their roots. Plants need sunlight to prepare their food, whereas animals, human beings and birds depend on plants for their food. We have also learned about features of non-living things, wherein we have understood non-living things cannot grow, non-living things cannot breathe, they do not need food, they do not reproduce, they do not feel, they do not move on their own. Let's discuss words to know. What do you mean by pore? Pore is a small opening on a surface. Next, gills. Paired breathing organs of fish. Next, hedge. To come out from an egg. Next, seedling. What do you mean by seedling? A tiny plant which grows from a seed. Now, let's start an exercise. First, filling the blanks. Question 1. Fish have dash to breathe. Answer is fish have gills to breathe. Second question. Birds have dash to fly. Answer is birds have wings to fly. Third question. Non-living things dash move on their own. So, the answer is non-living things cannot move on their own. Fourth question. Living things need dash to get energy. So, the answer is living things need food to get energy. Question 5. A pencil is a dash thing. So, the answer is a pencil is a non-living thing. Let's come to the next section. Answer the following questions. In that, let's start with short question answers. Question 1. List any 3 features of living things. First, living things grow. Second, living things breathe. Third, living things eat food. Second question, name any three things which are needed by all living things. So, the answer is living things need air, water and sunlight. Third question, name a plant which responds to touch. So, the answer is touch me not plant responds to touch. Fourth question, name the organs of movement in different living things. So, the answer is human beings have 2 legs. Animals have 4 legs. Birds have wings for movement. And plants bend towards sunlight to prepare their food. Now, let's come to the long question answers. Question 1. List 4 features of living things and give suitable examples. So, the features of living things are: living things need food. Plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, air and water. Some animals eat plants as food, while some animals eat flesh. Human beings can eat both plants as well as meat as food. Second, living things grow. All living things grow from young ones to adults. Third, living things breathe. All living things breathe air to survive. Fish breathe through gills, while animals and humans breathe through their nose. Fourth, living things give birth to young ones. Living things produce young ones of their own kind by laying eggs or by giving birth to babies. A seed grows to become a new plant. Second question, explain the importance of air, water and sunlight for the survival of living things. So, the answer is all living beings need air to breathe, water to drink and sunlight for warmth. Plants need air, water and sunlight to prepare their own food. Last question, how do living things respond to changes around them? Explain with examples. So, the answer is living things can feel things around them. We are able to touch things and feel if they are soft, hard, rough or smooth. Animals such as a dog barks on seeing strangers. A touch-me-not plant folds its leaves on touching. So, let's conclude this session. In this chapter, we have learned about living things and non-living things with their features. I hope you all have enjoyed it. In our next chapter, we will learn about plant life. Till then, stay safe, stay home and enjoy. Thank you.